good.
Olachi first, then your baby.
No, she's the queen.
Yeah.
She's the queen of the house.
My one.
Yeah, the big queen. If I don't serve you guys, who will?
No one.
To my queen, the big queen.
Thank you.
And this is small madam. Sweetheart, how are you?
Do you like it, baby?
Ola, what is it?
Olachi, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay.
Are you sure you're good? Ola. Olachi.
Olachi. Ola.
He's shooting me.
Where? Where? Here?
Do you feel like vomiting? Talk to me.
He's shooting me.
See, sweetheart, go and get the keys.
Okay.
Please. Olachi. Olachi.
Olachi.
Olachi. Olachi.
Olachi.
Olachi.
Baby, what's wrong with her now?
Olachi. This is still like a movie to me. How come my daughter just die like that? How?
My child? How can my child die? No. No.
Sometimes I just question the existence of God. I question if He really truly does exist. If He does exist, if He truly loves us. I can't wrap my head around it. This is painful. It's unfair.
If he allowed this to happen to my child, he's not a fair God. God is not fair. No, my child cannot die. How can my child go?
It's okay.
How can Olachi leave me?
That aroma is beautiful. Babe!
Mayor. Mayor! Jesus! Babe, are you okay? What's wrong? Talk to me. What is it?
It was just a nightmare. But it was so vivid and real.
Babe, don't worry. It's fine. Let's go up, okay? I'm sleeping. Get up. Let's go up. It's just a nightmare. Let's go up, okay? Baby!
Sweetheart.
Look at you. Wow, I like.
I know your favorite things.
Oh, yeah.
If I don't take care of you, who will? Who will? Okay, so how was your day?
Fine. Thank you. Oh.
No, you cannot have it.
Thank you.
You like it?
Actually, I forgot to ask. What did the doctor say?
He said nothing too complicated. So after he checked, so he was like, it's trauma, you know.
So why am I not having these kinds of nightmares? I mean, I should be having these episodes.
I thought as much too, but he said something very impressive. He said that we all respond and react to trauma differently. So maybe yours might come much later. Or I love Olachi more than you do. I was just kidding.
Well, babe, I believe Olachi is in the hands of God.
Just that the pain is too much to bear. I really miss my doctor.
I miss her too. Olachi would want us to be happy. Okay? Yeah, I was watching something before you came.
Okay.
Really interesting. I knew you like it. Yeah.
Oh, this guy. I like his movies. You know, the way he...
Tell mommy. I'll tell her from them.
Oh, God.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, just this sharp. It's nothing. I just felt it sharp. I'll be in the car, right?
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. I'll be fine. No.
It's fine, though.
Tell mommy. Tell mommy.
Olachi.
Tell mommy.
Olachi, I'm sorry.
Tell mommy. Tell mommy.
Olachi, I'm sorry.
Tell mommy.
Olachi, I'm sorry. Olachi, I'm
Tell
sorry.
mommy.
Olachi. Olachi, Olachi. Olachi, Olachi. Olachi.
Tell mommy.
Olachi.
Tell mommy. Tell mommy. Tell mommy.
Mayor! What's going on? Is there something you're not telling me?
There's nothing. You just startled me. I think we should go inside.
Mayor, you're really acting strange.
No.
You're beginning to scare me. I don't understand it all. Tell me what's going on.
Nothing is going on, baby girl. If there is something going on, you'll be the first to know. Nothing. It's just that I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but then it's okay. Don't worry, babe. Come on. Thank God you came. It's nothing. Did you make anything?
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Come on.
Who is there?
Mommy.
Olachi, is that you?
Yes, mommy.
Where are you, my baby? Please come to me.
I'm here, mommy.
My baby, I miss you.
I miss you too, mommy.
Mommy misses you so much. I love you. Baby, I miss you.
Mommy, I'm scared. I want to go home.
My baby. Where are you, my baby? My child. Olachi, please. My child, please come to me. Where are you, my baby?
Honey, are you okay? What's the problem?
I saw Olachi. She wasn't happy. She said she wants to go home.
Tell mommy. Tell mommy. Tell mommy. I'll tell her. Tell mommy. I'll tell her. Tell mommy. Tell mommy. I'll tell her. I'll tell her. I'll tell her.
Babe! Timmy! The gate is even locked. Where is she? Timmy! Where did she... Oh, God. She's not... Could she be at the backyard? Where could she have gone to? Without a word? No, this is strange. Unlike her. Very much unlike her. What? Babe! Timmy! Oh, she's not even here. Okay. Oh, damn. How would she behave like that?
Mommy, I love you. You love me. We're one happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. I love you and you love me. I love you. You love me. We're one happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. I love you and you love me too. I love you.
Hey, babe. I've been walking around looking for you.
You've been looking for me.
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm sorry, I slept off.
It's okay, just go. Let's go inside, okay? Let's go. Let's go. I love you too. All right, see you later. I'm already late for work. Oh. Oh God, no. What kind of a hell is this? Olachi, my daughter, please leave me alone. Because Iheonunekwu. Because leave me alone. Oh hell. Sweetheart.
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Can I help you wash the plate?
That's so sweet of you.
Sure. It's been a long time I helped you out in the kitchen.
Yeah. If Olachi was here, she would have been the one doing this with me.
The death of Olachi leaves a hole in my heart that I don't think anything can fill up.
I miss her so much.
I miss her too. I really do miss her.
Babe.
Yeah, babe.
I think it's time you stop it. Trying to make another child.
Baby, we're still mourning Olachi. This is not the time we start looking for a substitute, okay? It will come when it will come, alright? But let's give her some respect.
If you say so.
Alright?
Okay.
Let me get water from the fridge.
Alright, babe.
Okay.
Yeah. What is it?
Nothing.
Don't break my fridge, oh.
It's okay. But nobody was in the living room.
I don't understand.
Who shouted? Whoa.
How did this happen?
Jeez. How? Who messed her up? If the plate is broken. What's this?
What's going on in this house?
Babe. This is strange.
Oh, it's okay. Let's just clear it up, okay?
Where is the brush?
Let's clear it up. I'll get something to
Get something, get a packer, please. This is incredible. Oh God.
You're my honey cake, sugar plum, yumpy, yumpy, you're my sweetie pie. You're my coffee cake, gumdrops, you're the apple of my eyes, and I love you so.
Babe.
Babe, why are you still awake? This is past 12, babe. What is it?
Olachi, I couldn't stop thinking about her. I thought it's all over my head. She didn't have to die.
No, I can't stop thinking about her too. She's still missed, babe.
She's innocent. She's innocent. Olachi.
Babe, I know, okay?
That's why.
Please, just go back to bed. You have work tomorrow. Babe, please. Okay. Please, just go back to bed, please. Okay? Please.
Olachi. Olachi, please. Olachi, be patient. Olachi, please.
I'll tell for you.
I'm talking to you. Where are you going to, Mayor?
You don't have to spoil my day.
Mayor, listen to me. Something is not right. Something is definitely wrong. Listen to me and you go nowhere. You have to kill me today before crossing this door. This is like a torment. Talk to me. What is going on? This is not you. You are scaring me.
Would you let me talk to you? There is no problem.
No. There is something. There is definitely something. You acting strange. You're scaring me.
The doctor said it's trauma.
No, this is not trauma. This is torment, Mayor. Just look at you. You're completely different. Listen, you have to talk to me today. You have to tell me what is going on. You are not going anywhere. Do you understand what I'm saying? You see what I'm talking about? What did you see again? This is not you. Say something, Mayor. What is going on?
Fine. I'll talk to you.
It's okay. It all started when I almost lost my job. Hello, Williams.
What's up, guy? You don't sound good.
Yeah, I'm not good at all. I'm not good. I feel so frustrated. I'm about to lose my position at my workplace. Honestly, and it's really scary. I can't imagine going back to poverty.
Calm down. It's a small thing.
Guy, I have a wife and a child to take care of. And you're telling me to calm down? Like, no, that's cold of you. No, you don't do that.
But I could help you.
Guy, they talk saying at my workplace, they tell me say you help me. Which connect you get? It's a serious matter.
I can help you
Are you for real?
Can you meet me at my place tomorrow by 12 noon and no member of information about it for now?
Guy, 11:45 I did your house. For real. Thank you so much, man. I beg see you tomorrow. Sure. The next day, I went to William's house. Precisely 12 o'clock. He took me to a place and introduced me to somebody called Lord Lumba, who happens to be his godfather. Immediately we stepped into his place. He told me everything that was troubling me and promised to resolve it. I was happy. I was excited, but I never knew it had something to do with blood. Lumba asked that I buy some things, which I bought. He left me with a specific instruction after giving me a small mirror. I placed the mirror in my office. With that mirror, when I look at it and give instruction or call the name of anybody I want to will over, before I meet the person, and the person will be willed towards my desires and my wishes. And it worked. For instance, if I'm going to meet you tomorrow, I will call your name and give you instruction. If I want you to sign a document tomorrow, you will happily sign the document for me. He said that my GM would apologize to me. Instantaneously, I got a message, a letter from my boss apologizing. That is my general manager. Just like that, I was happy. Who wouldn't be? I was excited that my GM apologized to me. As though that wasn't enough. Out of excitement, I was so appreciative. He asked about my daughter's name, which I told him Olachi's name. We left. Coming home that day, Olachi died. Olachi died.
Hold on. Mio, you're responsible for the death of our child?
No.
You killed Ola?
No.
Oh my God.
I can never kill my own child. No. I called Williams. I confronted him. He treated it with his glove. He said that Lord Lumba had taken his own portion. Immediately, I went to the office. I destroyed the mirror, knowing that more demands are going to come and maybe you would be the next person. I did not kill Olachi intentionally. And from then till now, my life has been a living hell. I see Olachi everywhere. I think of her in my head. I hear her voices. I would never kill my own child. I love my
family with every fiber in my being. How would I kill Olachi? How on earth would I do a thing like that? No, I wouldn't. I did not kill my child. I did not kill him. I love my family. I love Olachi. I know that I am undeserving of this. I know that I'm not worthy to ask you. I don't even know if I can forgive myself, but I was just doing it for us. I was doing it for my family. I didn't want to see us go back to poverty. I didn't want to see us. I was looking for solutions. I was looking for solutions, babe. I was looking for solutions. Please, I deserve any punishment you will give to me. I deserve it. I'll do anything to me, but please don't leave me. Do not forsake me, please. All I did for us. I did for us.
Olachi, my child. I miss you so much.
I miss you too. I just came to say bye. I have peace now.
Olachi, my baby.
Wait. There's a separation between us.
Olachi, why did you leave me? Why? This is so difficult for me. I can't take this anymore. Why?
Please, I beg you in the name of God. We've been through stuff together. You know it wasn't my intentions. Please. We've been through a lot together. Please, don't leave me. It wasn't intentional. Please. Please.
Mayor, I'll be back to pay the rest of my debts. Excuse me.
Babe, now. Babe, please. Please don't go, please.
No.